In a rain-soaked rainforest, a dung beetle rolls a glistening ball with moonlit precision, turning waste into sturdy life support. In mangrove swamps, the mangrove rivulus fish can survive out of water for hours, using damp leaves as air pockets. Pigeons navigate using Earth's magnetic field, helping cities plan routes that conserve energy and reduce fuel during migrations. Termite mounds breathe like living chimneys, maintaining cool interiors through natural vents that inspire eco-friendly architecture. A wondrous cuttlefish dances with shimmering patterns to signal readiness and cooperation, illustrating harmony with predators and prey.